What you're looking at here is a dishwasher air gap fitting. And the question is, do you need one? And that's all going to be determined by your local plumbing code. If your local plumbing code says that this is required equipment, you are going to need one. In New York City here, we have the option. We can either use these or use the looped drain hose method, which I will explain further in a little screencast tutorial I prepared for you. So without further blabbering from me, let's move into the screencast, and hopefully you'll have a better understanding of what this device is and whether or not you may want one.